Hey guys, welcome to my lesson on how to play One of These Nights by the Eagles. As we all know, the Eagles have more than one guitar player, so what I'm going to do in this lesson is try and comp something together where we can cover the song pretty much just with the one guitar. What I have done is I was checking out a live version of the band performing in 1977 to see how they were covering it with two guitars. So what I'm going to be doing is using parts from that version to put something together for you. The very first thing you hear in the song is this part. What I'm doing there is I'm hammering onto the 7th fret of the top string, sliding to the 12th fret and then off again like this, and then an E minor played at the 12th fret. So what I'm doing is I'm covering the first three strings on the 12th fret and doing an upstroke like that. Okay, that repeats throughout the intro. What Don Felder was doing on the live version, to cover the part that is normally 3-part harmony in the studio, he was just doing an E minor bar chord at the 7th fret, started off with just barring across the 7th and then hammering these 3 fingers on like this. Okay, so he then played a C major bar chord at the fret 3, and then an A minor open chord, and then an E minor open chord, and then lastly the B minor. I'm sure you guys know all your basic bar chords, hopefully you do. So that intro again was. Okay, so that is our intro. From there we're into our verse. So what we have in the verse, I'll play it once through and then explain. Oh, don't want that sound. A little bit more gain. Okay, so that's the first part of the verse. So what I was doing, I was back at the E minor at the 12th fret again, and I was doing a down, up, down, down, down with my pick, and stopping the chords in between with my palm so they're not ringing together. So we have this. I noticed Don Felder in the live version slides in from the 11th fret, which sounds pretty cool. Also the same thing at the B minor down here at the 7th fret, he slides from the 6th. Okay, the next chord is the C major 7. Now that chord there, what I'm doing is I've got the 10th fret of the 4th string, and then 9th fret, 8th fret, 7th fret. Okay? So we play that rhythm structure through twice on that chord. We then go into our A minor at the 5th fret position. I've got 7 on the 4th string and then 5, 5, 5 on the first 3 strings. Then what I did is I went back to the C minor thing where I went. Now in the studio version, of course, you've got the 3-way harmony doing this type of thing. What I saw in the live version, Joe Walsh just doing it down here at the B minor position and the 2nd fret. So it's easy that way. We just go. Covers that part quite nicely. So after that we're back to the E minor, B minor, C major 7, A minor, goes to the B minor, sorry, E minor, and then B minor. So that's the end of that verse, okay? Right, from there we're into our chorus. Now, in the studio version, there's a cleanish guitar which is doing this sort of. So we're on the C major 7 again here, and then we move down to a G major 7 where we're just shifting that same shape down the neck, and we do it with. So what I've got there is fret 5, 4, 3, 2. So I've got. G major 7. The other place you can play that G major 7, where I think Don Felder was on the live, is the 10th fret position of this. So what I've got is a 10 on the 5th string, a 12 on the 4th string, an 11 on the 3rd string, a 12 on the 2nd string, and if you want to bar across with the index finger as well, you can get the 10 also on the 1st string. So you can go. We go to the A minor, to the B minor. Okay? So then I just put that D5 on the end of the chorus there. So that is just 5th string, 5th fret, and then 7th fret, 4th string, 7th fret, 3rd string. And then you're back into your verse where you can either do, you can do your E minor there or back. Okay, so that's basically brings the lesson to an end. So that's your basic rhythm. What I am going to do is I'm going to do another video on how to play the solo. So as usual, thanks for watching, appreciate it very much. Don't forget to hit the sub button, and I'll see you over at the solo lesson. Cheers.